Good day viewers, welcome to Vario's Kitchen channel. Today I will be teaching how to make a very tasty red velvet cake. And remember, all my recipes are measured in grams, because sometimes after using cups in measuring, you come across people saying that the cake is too heavy, the cake is too strong, the cake is not like cake. But for you to avoid all these things, grams will always give you the accurate measurement. I will advise you to always go for grams. I'm going to give you this measurement both in grams and in cups. All you need to do is to use only the ones in grams so that you get accurate results. I am starting with my flour. My flour here is 400 grams. My cocoa powder is just 3 tablespoons. And I have my baking soda here. My baking soda here is 1.5 teaspoon. My salt here is half teaspoon. I have 4 eggs here. Vegetable oil, which is 3/4 cup. I also have my granulated sugar, which is 390 grams, equivalent to 2 cups also. Then I have 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, 2 teaspoons of red food color, 1 cup and 2/3 of buttermilk, which is 396 grams. Now for my buttermilk, for me to get it, all I need to do is take my 396 grams of milk and then add my vinegar into it. And then I'm going to stir it. And then cover it to rest for 5 to 10 minutes until it begins to curdle. By the time it curdles, that means my buttermilk is ready. Then I also have a buttermilk flavor, which is it's not really, it's optional. You can do without it if you don't have it. Now the first thing I do is to preheat my oven, because the oven is supposed to be heating up little by little while you are preparing. And then another thing is to prepare the pans I'm going to use. For this very cake, I'm going to be using 2 of 8 inches pan, which is 20 cm round. So the first thing I'm going to do is to join them. This is the flour. This is my cocoa powder. This is my baking soda. And this is my salt. So after that, I'm going to mix it together. Then after mixing it, I take it gradually. So you see, everything is well sieved together. And then I'm going to set it aside. Ingredients. So inside my stand mixer, I am going to be adding my vegetable oil, my sugar, my eggs, my buttermilk, if you notice very well, you will notice that it's curdling already. That's how you know that it's ready. So let me just show you. You can see some small lumps in the milk. That's what shows you that your buttermilk is ready. You then add it, my red food color, okay, and then you mix together. Now I'm adding my buttermilk and my vanilla. it is well mixed now, you now gradually add your flour mixture. Just mix it gradually like that until everything is well mixed and there is no lumps. Next, you scrape the sides of your pan to make sure everything is well incorporated. Just make sure the whole mixture is well mixed. Okay, so you continue again. So now I think it's ready. So now you turn it in, divide it into 2 equal parts in the 2 different 8 inches pan. So the next thing, it goes into the oven for the next 45 minutes to 1 hour.